Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back on today to share with you more challenge entries. Yay! Thank you so much, ladies, for participating. I'm so super excited. I'm going to jump right on in. I have 3 entries to share with you. This first entry is from Lydia Gomez, and I took it out of the packaging, and this is what her entry looks like. Very pretty. So here is her mini loaded bag, and look how cute she has it decorated. She used some dies, and she's got all these cute little hearts on the front. That's really sweet. And look at her memory decks card. Oh, it says, "Hey, sweet tea." And she's got a cute teapot. Looks like it's a stamped image. And then some hearts in the background with a little coffee cup, or a teacup, I should say. Oh, that's cute. And then she's got a heart right there. Adorable memory decks card. I'm going to turn it over and just cover up her address. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, and that's okay. But thank you so much for participating. Yay, I love your entry. It's beautiful. And let's look at her baking tags. Oh, so here's the first one, and it says "Sprinkled with Joy," and she has all of these different stamped images, vanilla frosting, the little cookies, and the rolling pin. That is adorable. Love that. And she's got some really pretty ribbon right here to tie it with. That is cute. And then she also has this one as well, and this one is a little bit bigger, and it has the tools and the spatula and a pie, and she's got some little enamel dots on it. And that one is really cute as well. Thank you so much. That's adorable. And then look at the back. It says "Homemade with Love." Oh, I love that. So cute. Thank you, thank you. And then she also sent me a little package, probably some goodies, and I truly appreciate you guys sending me a little extra. It's very sweet of you guys. Oh my goodness. What did you send? Oh my gosh. Look at that bag. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. I hope that this sunlight is not too bright and that you guys are able to see everything good. Oh my goodness. So she sent me, it looks like some charms. Oh, thank you so much. And it says "Be yourself." And then look at that tassel and that pretty charm right there. Oh, thank you so much for sending some charms. Oh, she even sent some more charms. Oh, yay. Those are really, really pretty, and I can use these on my traveler's notebooks or dangles or just anything. Oh, thank you so much. That's so kind of you to send me a little goodie. And she also sent these really pretty stickers. Look at that. And they're really pretty blingy butterflies. And I could use these on Easter projects. So perfect. Thank you so much, Lydia, for participating. I really enjoyed your entry. Yay. Okay, I'm going to put her entry off to the side, and I'm going to move on. I have an entry from Raquel Jurado. I hope I am pronouncing your name correctly. Apologize if I'm saying it incorrectly. But look how absolutely adorable her mini loaded envelope is decorated. And I love this fun little trim that you use, that iridescent, and she's got a unicorn stamp with a pretty crepe paper rosette. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. All right, let's take out the tags. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the first one. Let me take it out of the package. Very pretty packaging, and she used some iridescent paper, and it says "For You." Oh my gosh, look how pretty. I love the dies and the little stamped images, and it says "For You." So cute. And then look at the back. It says "Made especially for you." And I love the way you layered the stitched circles. And I really like the way you pieced together this scalloped edge. It looks like she took several different scalloped dies and then arranged it to look, you know, like she pieced it together around the circle, which is very creative. And look at the beautiful ribbon that she used. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. And here I'm going to take out the second tag out of the packaging. I'm sorry, I have no nails, you guys. Okay, and I apologize for the crinkling. Here is the second tag, and look how adorable that one is. She's got a cute bow and the crepe paper, and I love how you use this fun trim. It's not trim, it's like party, like packaging. And she's got some stamped images. Look at that little cook. How cute. And it says cookies. Oh, and it says made with love. That is absolutely adorable. And she's got her eyelet attached with some twine. And thank you so much. That's so adorable. Love it. Oh, I love your tags. And then, oh my goodness, look at her wand. I get another wand. Yay. I love these wands, you guys. I love collecting these wands. And I can't wait so I can display all of them in my craft room. But that's adorable. It says, I don't know what I would do without you. Oh, and she's got another adorable stamped image with the girl holding a donut. She's super cute, and I love this iridescent paper that you used, and that's a pretty colored straw. Adorable. Thank you for that. And then, oh look, she's got a piece of chocolate for me, and it says for you. We'll definitely eat that. I'm gonna take that off actually right now. Oops, it kind of messed up the paper, but that's okay. We're gonna eat this chocolate for sure. All right, let's look at her memory dex card. Oh my gosh, look how pretty it is. I love it. It's like a unicorn themed. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at that, you guys. Adorable. I'm gonna cover up her address. And this is, let me just go like that. So you can see there is her Instagram. She's on Instagram, so you guys definitely go follow her feed. And I will link her feed in the description box below so you can definitely check her out and see what she's creating. Raquel, thank you so much for sending me an entry. I truly appreciate it. And she's got a few more little, looks like some more handmade goodies in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these ones up. Oh my gosh. Oh, she made me 2 more tags. Oh, these are absolutely adorable. Look at that, they say for you, and she used that fun unicorn stamp. I think that's my favorite thing stamp. I think, I'm not sure, or Lawn Fawn. And these are adorable, and it says thank you. Oh, those are so pretty, I love them. Oh, that's so sweet. I will definitely save these and use them for a thank you. Yay, thank you so much. And then it looks like she sent me 2 handmade paper clips. This one has a coffee cup, and then this one is a bow. So sweet. Thank you so much for the extra goodies. Truly appreciate it. All right, I am going to put your entry off to the side because I have one more entry I would like to share with you today. Just give me 1 second. This next entry is from Julia Sciberras. I'm not sure if I'm saying your last name correctly, Julia, so I apologize if I am. But I know who you are, so thank you so much for participating. And I'm gonna open up her package. She's got it in this really pretty bag. I think these bags are from Daiso. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at her beautiful mini loaded bag. That is gorgeous. Let me just get up. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna slide that down. Get up a little bit closer so you can see the detail of her bag. And look at that pretty trim that she used on the bottom. She's got a gorgeous cluster of pastel colored flowers, and I love the purple, of course. And then the beautiful flat back pearls. And then she's got a really pretty handmade clothespin right there. It says Divine. That's really pretty. All right, I'm gonna put that down and we're gonna open up the pocket. Let me just see what this is. Handmade just for you. Oh, okay, this is her card. There we go. And that's her last name. Very sweet. Oh, that's a really fun idea to have a card like that. And then this must be her actual card. Okay, let me see. Let me just open it up really quickly. And it says, hello. So sweet. One of the Target cards. Hi, Scrapdivatwentynine. I enjoy watching your channel. You have great hauls and tutorials to watch, and you are always willing to share your projects. Thank you for having this giveaway challenge. Congrats on 11,000 subscribers, Julia. Aw, thank you, Julia. I truly appreciate this card, and thank you for participating. All right, so I'm going to take out her Memory Dex card, and here it is, and look at this gorgeousness. It's so pretty. It says friendship on the tab. She's got this beautiful assortment of flowers and trim, an iridescent sequence, and it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous, Julia. I love it. Let me just turn it around. Okay, I'm just gonna cover up her address, but there she is. Oh, hi Julia, you're beautiful. Thank you so much for playing along. I love your memory decks card. It's so sweet. And then these are her, must be her baking tags. So I'm just gonna open these up. And oh my goodness, these, oh, she sent me 3 and look how big they are. They're aprons and they're purple. Oh my gosh. I love this. Thank you so much. And look at the back. I can stamp to and from or handmade or, oh, these are adorable. And she gave me 3. I'll have to go back and watch your video response to see how you made these, probably from a Cricut or a silhouette machine. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Thank you so much. Okay, love your entry. All right, ladies, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for taking the time to send in these entries, and please leave these ladies a comment. Tell them what you think, and check out their channels and Instagram. Thank you so much, and I will be back with more challenge entries, so I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.